Hey guys, it's Rebecca. Thanks for joining me for today's video. Today's video is a little bit different, kind of like vlog style. In one of my recent videos, a lot of people were asking me about my project pans and how I'm able to do multiple projects at a time and how I'm able to use my products if I don't forget that I am having certain products. So I think mainly was how I organize my products so that I can use them for project pans and I don't forget them. So I figured I would just show you guys how I organize my makeup and see if maybe that helps. So I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm gonna try to be as steady as I can. So hopefully this video won't be too shaky, but let's just get started. So I'm just gonna flip you guys around. So this is what my vanity looks like. As you guys can see, my babies are right there. I have everything here, body care, skincare, and then I have my makeup, some brushes, body sprays. I have a mirror here. My That palette is right here along with another face palette. And then I have this little tower of plastic containers where I have a lot of the products. This is where I store some of my items. These items, honestly, I hardly ever use unless I run out of something and I haven't started a new project pan, then I'll go ahead and take stuff out of here. But other than that, I really don't touch the items that I have here. And then right here in this second drawer, I have, prepare yourselves. I have the rest of my makeup, and it used to be a little bit more organized, but it's not anymore, just because I don't have any space. I have some stuff in bags, face palettes, mostly eyeshadow palettes, but this stuff doesn't get really used. This is gonna change because I'm gonna be rotating through my eyeshadow palettes this year, so I'm gonna be getting more use out of the palettes here, but this is where the majority of my makeup is stored in a drawer. Doesn't get open that much, so it doesn't get a lot of sunlight or like heat. So in my head, it's staying like more fresh. So anyway, this is where most of my stuff is. So in this little like ceramic holder, and in this acrylic little thing here, this is where most of my stuff is. Like, let me just show you. Like here I have some face products and an eyeshadow primer. Mostly of my products from A to Z are stored here. All of this is in a project pan except this eyeshadow primer and this glitter glue. Other than that, everything else is in a project pan. Same thing here. I have powders, eyeshadows, primers, face powders, bronzers, highlighters, eyeliners right here. And then on this bottom one here, I only have my 1 month 1 palette, which is right now the Modern Renaissance. By the time you see this, it might have changed, but just know that I have a product here. And then I have another eyeshadow here. And then behind this little mirror right here, I have my That palette. And then I have one eyeshadow from this palette that's in a project pan. So once I finish this eyeshadow, I'm gonna be putting this palette down here in this drawer. So so mainly what I use is already here and ready to be used. And then right here I have my foundations, some mascaras, lip balms. If I have like 2 or 3 lip balms, I have like the one that I'm currently using right here, and the rest of the lip products are stored right here. These are products that I have, lip products that I have in my, I think it's in my panning games, as you guys can see. So I only focus on 1 or 2 at a time, and then as I finish them, I pull them out of this little glass. This used to be a candle from Bath and Body Works, but as I use our lip products, I take them out of here, and so I know which lip products I'm working on, and then I kind of see if I have a lot of, like if I'm running out of time, and then I see how many lip products I have here. Here in this little paper bag, I have a bag of my makeup empty. So as I'm finishing them, I am putting them here. So spoilers, I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but let's see what I've finished so far. So far, I have finished this IT Cosmetics Live Love Love Vitality Face Disc. I was working on a highlighter here, and I finished it, so yay me. And then I have finished a couple of lip products. That's a lip gloss. That's a NARS pencil. I can't tell what this is. What is this? Oh, a brow gel from Anastasia and a lash primer right here, a little sample. So as I'm finishing products from here, I put them in this little bag, and the little bag goes there. So when I do my makeup, my empties or my updates, I go back to this little bag and see what's in a project pan that I need to show, or what's not in a project pan but I finished, and then I can show it in an empties video. Usually I don't double show things. If I show them in a project pan update, I will not show them in an empties video. And then once I'm done with products in this bag, I have my bag in the closet. That's where I have my year of makeup empties, and so I dump it from here into my closet. But other than that, that's it, guys. So say that I'm working, for example, on this face primer, right? So once I finish this face primer, I put it in my little bag here, and then I go back here and I look, do I have another primer? Oh yes, I do have another primer. So I'll be using this primer, and then if I finish it, I'll put it back here and I'll be like, do I have another face primer that I need to use? Do I? No, I don't. So then I go back to my drawer here and I look for a face primer, and then I put it back here. You know what I mean? So that's how I know. That way I won't be putting too many of the same things in project pans, and I don't have like to rotate through 2 or 3 different items of the same category. And then I avoid doing that as much as I can. So that's pretty much it, guys. I have a little, these are not in project pans. Well, this one is, but like these perfume samples, those are the only perfume samples I have. So I want to use them up this year. So I took them out so I can have them there so I can see them and use them up. And once I'm done, I'm finished with the little mini samples. And then I have here my 2 body sprays that I do want to use. So I have them here so I know also what I'm working on. So anyway, that is how I get myself organized. I hope you guys enjoyed. Very, very quick overview of my little vanity here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.